Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to get the current time as date time in Swift Xcode project. We can go ahead and say let date this equals to date and then parentheses, right? Easier. Now we say let calendar and set this equals to calendar dot current. That means this provides us the current calendar. Then we can extract hour from that. Let hour is equals to this calendar variable dot component. Inside parentheses, the first argument, as we can say what type of value we need, hour or month. Let's say hour. From date as this variable, and we can extract minutes. Set that equals to calendar dot component. First argument as let's date dot minute, and the second argument will be the date variable name, which is we declared here. Now how we can print this? We can just say print hour and also print minutes. I need to check the data type of these variables. For that we can say print and then type parentheses, inside parentheses hour, and the next one print type of minute. Alright, now let's go ahead and run. Here it gave us the type of this variable is int. If we scroll to top here, it gave the hour as 12, that means this time 12, and then minute is 52. Now it is actually 53. If we refresh this, we can have that as 12.53. How we can print that as a string? We can say a new variable, let str date is equals to double quotations. Now I will put backslash and then parentheses. Inside parentheses I can say the variable which is hour, and I want to add a dot now because I want to show this time as 12.53, and we can do similarly like this also, just using colon. Now how we can show minutes? We can add these backslash and parentheses to pass that variable as a string. Now we can just, here we have to print this variable str date 12:55. Okay, that's how to get the current time. To get the date, here I will go ahead and say let the crr date is equals to calendar dot component, and here as the first argument I will pass in dot day from this date variable. To get the current month, I can say let crr month like this. Set this equals to calendar dot component. Inside this first argument as month, and second argument will be this date variable. Now as the final one, I want to get the year. I will set this equals to calendar dot component. As the first argument I will say here dot year, and the last argument is this date variable. Alright, now I will just skip this and comment those out. Here I will say let str I will set this as str time and set this as str date, and I will say double quotations. First value let's take as crr date, which is this one, and also I will add / here. We are having / when we are creating a date, and next one as current month, crr month, and I will add / again / and parentheses. Inside this I will say year. Alright, now we can go ahead and print this str date. It is already printed. Now I will also print the time. You can concatenate these values. Okay, it is completely okay. You can see this is the current date and this is the current time. Alright, this is it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.